Hello guys, today I came here with a new React project. This is basically a movie app. You can watch the trailers of the movies, you can select the movies, what to watch and what to not, and this will save you a whole lot of time. There are different kinds of movies, the trending movies, the popular movies, the top rated movies, the epic thriller, the recommended movies to you. You can choose any one of them. If you want to go for something action type movies, then there is action type movies like Wonder Woman 1984. If you want to go for the comedy, then there is comedy movies as well. If you want to select the distinct movies, then there is categories of the movies like horror, romantic, comedy. If you want to go for the horror genres, then there is horror. You can tap that movies, you can play the trailers, and the player will play you the trailer. And if you want to see the web series, then go to that section. You can watch the murder mystery. You can tap that web series. You can also watch the trailers, and the trailer will automatically play in front of you. You don't need to play it by yourself. This is functioned in that way. And you can watch the trailers of any movies available here in this website, and the uh, trailer will automatically appear before you. If you have the mood to watch the TV shows, then there is the section of TV shows here. Here you can see there are different kinds of movies. There are recommendations for you. There are categorized for the girls, and there are TV shows for the boys. You can tap that and you can see the cast. And again, if you want to play the trailer of these movies, then you can also do that too. Besides this, our website is really very responsive, so you can watch it and visit it from any of the devices available on this planet. You can visit it from iPhone, from any kind of devices, from Pixel, and it will beautifully feed the whole content. Again, if you want to visit it from iPad, then it is also possible, and the website doesn't break as it is made responsive fully. And besides this, I've hosted this website on netlify.app, so that you can also visit this website on your own mobile device or any other website available to you. So I'll be linking that URL in the description of the video, so that you can watch on your own. And I'll be also linking down the source code in the description below if you want to make something like this in your next future project. So if you like this video, then please share it with your friends, and give it a thumbs up. It will really motivate me to present some more types of projects in the near future. And if you have any suggestions or complain about this project, then mention it in the comment section below, and it will also help me to improve my project and improve my skills in the programming. So this is it for today. I'll be seeing you in my next video.